Hi friends, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel Leela Webdev. So we are having one issue here. When I click on this title also, we are opening this pop-up. So this should not happen. So when I click on this update only, this should be open. So what could be the reason here? So this is the table element. I am clicking on the table element. I am trying to open this one all. So here what I can do is one thing. So here post URL and all those things. Okay, let's get it. And here I can write sir, there's something like let's first console the target. Console.log target. And if I show you the target element, and here if I click on the update, so we are able to see the update post. And if I click on this one, we are able to see the TD and all those things, right? So here I can say that something like if target dot class list dot contains, okay, contains of update post, then only do this one all. What is that one? So pre-populate and all those things you can do it. Yeah. So now if I try to do, if I click here, so nothing is working. If I click on update, now it's working. So like this we can do it. Now fine. So the issue is also fixed. Now what I want to do is, if I click on the update and if I try to update these all the things, so when I click on the update thing, it needs to update it. So let's try to do this one. So we are having the form that is nothing but update model. Okay. So we can take this update model, and in this one we are having the form, right? Okay, let's go. This one we can close it, and this table element also we can close it, and here I will write it constant update model is equal to document dot get element by id of update model. Okay, and this update model on add event listener of submit. Okay, and you will get the event. So now I can do update model is submitted. So now if I update model submit is there. So first one is e dot prevent default. Okay, and the another one what I want to do is so here what I want to do is, or otherwise what I can see is query selector also we can take it. So I will try to show you another one also. It's a update model hash update model. Inside this update model I want to take the form. Okay, add event listener form. So first we need to get this update details. So here we are having the title update and title thing, right? So we have the let title is equal to, let's title is equal to document dot get element, document dot get element by id of title update dot value. And in the same scenario we will be having the description also. So let's try to have the description. So here we will be having the description, and here description update. I will try to do description update. So now we got this one, description update. Now what I want to do, so title we got it, description we got it, and here the put thing, right? So let's take this one. Okay, and the title we got it and description we got it, and we need to get the id also. So we need to get the id for this one, update model, and we got the id. So we do we have the id? So here we don't have the id, so we need to get the id. Update post, normally we can have, what I can do is, so here we can have one input type is equal to hidden variable, and id is equal to post id. We can do it like this. So now we need to update this post id. Where is this one? Table element, right? So here we will be having this one all. So populate model fields. So here what I can do in this one, document dot here post id, I can update it with the post id. Yeah, so now we will be getting the post id. So here we need to have the id. Okay, let's take the id. So that id will be getting it from the document dot get element by id of post id. Okay, so we'll getting the post id dot value. Let's console that id whether we are able to get it or not. If you go into the inspect element and in the console, let's click on the update thing. If I click on the update, so we need to submit the update post, right? If I click here update here, see we are able to get the id. So we got the id and we need to do the updated post. So okay, let's prepare this updated post. Updated post means nothing you will be having. We got the title. So you got the title and we got the description. So we can keep it like this ES6 syntax. Got the title and we got this. So here we can have this one all. So these are all the things we can have it. So server URL we got it and I can do this one. So fetch we are doing and response fetch post we are doing. So let's try to do the update. And here I am trying to do, I am doing this one and I am doing this one update. So here let's see that whether the network call is went or not. I think it has been went and we are not closing the pop-up. So we need to close the pop-up. So how we can close the pop-up? Here document dot, or otherwise we can do update model dot style dot display is equal to none. We can do this one also. So now let's try to see. So here I will do something like, here I will do something like update. I will remove this one all. So here I am adding only the sample and also here I am adding only this one. I am adding here only the sample and also I am adding here only the sample, and here I will click on the update. Hey, what is this one? I did it. Okay. Update model is nothing but it's a form, right? Sorry. Document dot get element. We'll try to do get element by ID of this update model. Entire thing, please we need to close it. So this one is getting updated. If you try to see here, I will do Leela webdev and also here I will do Leela webdev. You should not click outside the window, it will close it automatically. Yeah, I will click on this update post. See, the post has been updated successfully. So now we have completed this, what I can say, put request also. The last one what we need to do is the delete request. So here this is the delete request and we have the same the table element, right? So let's close. So this one is the table element and here is the update element, and this same table element I will take and I will write another one table element dot add event listener of this click element. We can have multiple things, not a problem. So now here I will have the target. Let target is equal to e dot target. This time what we need to do, if target dot class list dot contains, I don't know what it will contain, class list. So what is that we have added? Here only we have added. So for this delete element, let's see what will be there. There is this console. Yeah. Oh, sorry. So here inspect element only we need to see. So we don't have any class name. So let's add the class name. Class is equal to delete, or otherwise delete post. We can have this one. I will add like this. So delete post. Now here table element add event listener of click. Where is this one? Yeah, class list that contains of delete post. So first if it is contains, then only we need to do the code. So first we need to get the post ID. Post ID is equal to target dot parent element dot first element child dot inner HTML. We got the post ID. So what we need to do here? Let's go to the what happened? Delete is not there, or what? So delete is not there. Okay, fine. Let's prepare the URL. That URL is equal to server underscore URL plus slash post plus ID. So that is nothing but post ID. And here we need to do let Ajax is equal to new Ajax library. And here I will do Ajax dot delete. And we need to pass the URL. That's it. And here you can pass the callback function response, and we can fetch the post again. That's it. So let's see. So we are able to delete it or not. Leela webdev, I will try to delete it. Nothing happened here. What has happened? Let's see here in the console. Okay, URL slash post slash. It is throwing us an error. I don't know what is happening. And here we have the thing Ajax dot delete. So delete is the only thing, right? So we'll be having. Let's see here. Refresh this page. Yes. Delete slash post. Okay. So post slash one. We need to do it like this. Now let's click on the delete. Now see, successfully we are able to delete it. So in the network also we are able to delete this request. So this is how we will be doing this thing. So now if I try to do it, so I will be adding this one, add post. It is working fine, and I can delete these all the unnecessary things also. So these are the things we will be having, and I can click on the update, and I can click update whatever the thing I want to do it update. So now we have successfully completed the all the things using the Ajax library and also the DOM traversing thing. Hope you understood about this one all. If you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.